Hey, what's up, New Hope family? It's me, Coach Hayes, and since we're virtual this week, we're going to be doing things a little bit differently by bringing you a new video for each day of the week. So come on, let's check it out. All right, starting with the exercises today, we're going to roll the dice and let the dice choose what exercises we do. So let's get it. 30 jumping jacks.
All right, 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Ready? Let's go. Hold on a second, this isn't any fun. We need some music. Hold on. Okay, now let's go.
All right, I'm gonna roll it for the next one. Here we go. And we got
10 push-ups.
10 push-ups. Now listen, if you want to do them a modified way, we're going to show you all the ways. I'm going to do 10 regular. Ms. Pole's going to do a modified push-up. Ms. Frontlet's going to show you a modified push-up. So do the best you can, get your 10 in. All right, now it's time for 10 push-ups. Let's get them in. All right, next roll. Let's see what we get.
30 seconds of lunges.
30 seconds of lunges. Now remember, take these slow. Don't jump with these. Y'all know how to do them. 30 seconds. Let's get them in.
30 seconds of lunges. Y'all ready?
What do we get? 3-minute rest. Let's go! 3 minutes of resting. Take your time on this. When 3 minutes are up, we'll keep doing our exercises. Did somebody say 3-minute rest? Yes. Those 3 minutes went by way too fast. Back to the warm-up. Let's go. All right, on to the next roll.
15 dips.
Hey! All right, get ready. We got 15 dips.
All right, 15 dips.
Great job. Make sure when you're doing dips that you do something sturdy. You can use your couch, use your chair, as long as it's pushed up against a wall. Just make sure you don't hurt yourself doing dips. All right, roll the dice, Ms. Frontlet. Spin it around. Woo! 1 minute plank. 1 minute plank. You can either do these with your elbows on the ground or in push-up position. But let's get this 1 minute plank in.
All right, You're gonna do the 1 minute plank. It's gonna be tough for Miss Runlet, but here goes.
So we only show the exercises one time each, but if you really want to get a good workout in, do them 3 times. I guarantee you by the end of it, you'll be sweating. All right, today, Monday, all you need for the activities is a shoe, could be your shoe, whose ever, and a cookie. So come on, let's see what the activities are. All right, first challenge of the week is the shoe flip challenge. I'm gonna try to show you real quick on how to do it. Then you're gonna watch us do it. And then you're gonna try it out for yourself. So come on, let me show you. So I have my shoe. I have to balance it on my foot the entire time. Now while doing this, I have to roll over like so, keep the shoe balanced, and then I have to roll back over and keep the shoe on my foot. Let's see if I can do it the first try.
Put your heel back.
First try, let's go. New Hope, let's go. Now you're gonna see Miss Runlet and Miss Pole give it a try too. It was gonna be perfect. That was gonna be great content.
It's gonna be so good.
Gotta understand that we get one chance.
That's how I
There you go, keep your heel. Bring it down slowly. Keep that heel to you. Keep it to you. Bring the knee more. There you go. Now you look. Keep that heel.
Okay,
There you go. Keep the heel. Keep the heel. Keep it. Ah, let's go, Miss Runlet.
I did it!
That was awesome. That was the best thing I've ever seen. We've been doing this for like 15 minutes and we finally got it. Let's go, your turn. Let's see you do it.
Don't let that foot fall. There you go.
Yes. This pole gets the shoe flip. We all 3 get the shoe flip. Now you get the shoe flip.
Oh, my bad.
All right, we are ready for our next challenge. This next challenge is called Face the Cookie. The goal of the challenge is to put the cookie on your forehead, work it all the way down your face, and eat the Oreo cookie. We do have help today. So let's go over our contestants. We have Miss Runlet, Mr. Haynes, Miss Huckabee, Miss Vanessa, Miss Chris, Miss, what's her name? Miss Pole. That's Miss Pole. So those are our lovely contestants today. I'm also going to join in. So let's see if we can do it. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Sorry. Not have to have a box.
Got a big nose.
Hey,
I'm a pirate. That's all I can do.
it's in the mouth. I got it right here.
I got it.
I almost had him.
I had it there too. You got it.
Close second. Who else is in it?
You got it.
Okay, I got him on.
Use your eyelids to work it down.
You gotta go in an angle.
Right here.
Squeezy G, there you go, Miss Cole.
I use my eyelids.
Get your tongue out. Now get your tongue out. There you go. There you go.
That was my problem.
There you go. You gotta have it.
You gotta wrinkle your forehead. You gotta wrinkle your forehead a little bit.
Slot your head down a little bit. Face down. Get it to the right side or left side. Now flatten your head out. Work it down with your jaws. Then with your tongue. Keep going down. Put your head a little bit.
You got it.
Keep going. Get going. A little bit more. And it's the critical part. Behind you. There you go. It's behind you.
It epically fell.
Oh man.
You're bringing your hand too quick when it gets to a point where you get.
Okay. My neck is
Okay, come on, Chris. Let's do this.
Get the first one. Yeah, work it down a little bit more. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Move your cheek a little bit. Keep going. There you go. There you go. Right there.
I have big cheeks, it doesn't work.
It's called gravity. Yeah, did it work for you?
Okay. I got
Put your hand to the
my
left, son. Put your hand to the left. Flatten it out. Work it down. Keep going. You're fine. Don't do it fast. Don't do it slow. Stick your tongue out. There you go. Keep it out. Keep going down just a little bit. Slow, slow, slow. Work it just a little bit. Work it. You're fine. Keep going. You got your head angled too much.
Keep it in there now. Keep it in there.
Had it. Work it back up.
I touched it with my. I feel like I'm here, like.
So close.
Flatten your head out a little bit.
I'm a flash.
Turn to the left.
This way.
Flatten your head out. There you go. Work it. Keep your tongue out. Keep your tongue out. Just a little bit more. Keep it working that way. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta make your cheek a little bit. Slow. You gotta have your tongue out at the same time. Can't laugh. Keep going. Keep going. Slow, slow, slow.
This is gonna be the picture.
Yeah.
Right there.
You both.
Slow, slow, slow. Work it. Your cheek is not moving.
Keep
There you go. There you go. Right there.
Wink, wink, wink. Other eye.
Look, you're getting it, and then you're tilting it just a little too fast, and it's just moving like that. But you gotta work it slow.
All right, so we completed the Face the Cookie Challenge. Now it's your turn. Let's get it. Thank you for watching the videos. I hope you really enjoyed it. We miss you guys. We love y'all. We can't wait to see y'all again and do all this in person. But for right now, this is the best we can do. Like I said, thank you for watching the videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you, New Hope.